Hello.
Good morning.
How are you?
What's the little girl's name?
Janice.
Hi, Janine. You want to come up here and help me out? Sure. Come on.
That's me.
Tell us your full name.
Janice.
Okay, and how old are you?
6.
6 years old. Wow. And do you go to school?
Yes.
Welcome to one of the most unexpectedly heartwarming moments
morning.
you'll ever see in a courtroom.
What's the little
Today,
girl's name?
a 6-year-old girl steps
Hi,
up before a
Janine.
judge, not as a
You wanna come up
defendant,
here and help me
but
out?
as a temporary judge herself. Stay tuned, because what starts as a parking violation turns into a masterclass in compassion and justice.
What's your favorite subject? Is it math?
Yes.
Math. Is it English?
Yes.
I think you're going to say yes to everything I say, right? Well, let me ask another question. Do you someday think you want to be, when you get older, like a judge or somebody, not older like me, but just older, when you graduate from college, what do you think you want to do in life?
Well, I wanted to be a teacher.
That's a very wonderful thing for you to do. That's a great job. That way you can help other people. That's right.
Okay,
Yes.
pause right here.
And
This
you get a
judge
great
just made
joy
a
from
6-year-old his
teaching.
honorary assistant.
Yes.
And
You still wanna
honestly,
be a teacher?
she's taking it
Yes.
seriously.
Okay,
You can feel the crowd holding back
visualizing that in
smiles,
your
but
mind,
here's
and
the
that'll
thing.
happen someday.
Even in play,
Okay.
fairness is about to take center stage.
Now, would you like to
Watch
be a
how her
judge,
logic
like, for about
unfolds.
5 minutes to improve their lives, right?
Yes.
And you get a great joy from teaching.
Yes.
You still want to be a teacher?
Yes.
Okay, you keep visualizing that in your mind, and that'll happen someday.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Now, would you like to be a judge, like for about 5 minutes?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to make you a judge, and you're going to help me out with your mom, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now you're going to be fair. You're going to be fair and honest in trying to help me out, okay?
Okay.
And you promise. Okay, good. Now, your mom is charged with parking on the sidewalk.
Listen closely. The mom's
Your mom-
explanation
hold on.
is so
Wait a
human.
minute.
She parked on the
Here with your mom.
sidewalk
Who
to
else are you
avoid
here?
damage at
My
a chaotic
sister.
late-night party. Technically
Ew.
illegal, yes, but emotionally relatable.
Uncle.
This is one of those moments where you
Okay,
start
now-
asking, is the law about punishment
Right
or
now, I know you've been
understanding?
here since 8 o'clock in the, okay? And that fine is $100. Okay? Now, she hasn't paid the ticket, so we have penalties in addition to the $100. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask her to give us an explanation. And then we're going to make a decision on what we should do. Okay?
Okay.
Now, do you have an explanation?
Yes,
This
I
is
do.
on. She
Now
pays
it's
no
decision
penalties.
time. The judge
She
lays out
pays
4 options, from full
$100.
penalties
Now
to
look over
complete
here.
forgiveness, and lets the little girl
Or we can do
decide.
number 3.
You can almost feel the moral math
say,
happening in
well,
her head. What's fair?
We'll give her a
What's
break.
kind?
We'll cut the fine
What's
in
justice
half.
in a 6-year-old's world?
We'll charge her. You park on Althea Street. You were parked on the sidewalk, and this was at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yes. I went to my cousin's house to pick up something, and when I went up, because the street is really bad, they was having a party, and I didn't want nobody to hit my car, so I went on the sidewalk to be able to go. I went upstairs, and then the police was there, and they didn't want to open the door because I guess they was gonna shut down the party, so I couldn't come outside. When I came outside, so the $100 and.
Yeah. So you parked on the sidewalk. Were you at the party as well?
Yes.
Okay. So that's your explanation. Did you hear that?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have to make a decision. So your mom says, "Well, I went to a party at my cousin's house, and I parked on the sidewalk, and we were having a good time, and even if I wanted to move the car, I couldn't because the police were downstairs. So here's the choices now. I'm going to give us the choices by number, and then we make a decision. Don't look at anybody, just you and me, okay? Because we're going to be fair. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So we can do number 1, is we can give her all the penalties, and that would be $300. Or we could do number 2, and we can waive the penalty, so she pays no penalties, and she pays $100. Now look over here. Or we can do number 3 and say, well, We'll give her a break. We'll cut the fine in half. We'll charge her $50. Or we can do number 4 and say, well, maybe we'll charge her 0. So the real fine is $300 with the penalties. The original fine is $100. And if you wanted to cut that in half, it would be $50. And the other is 0.
And here it is, the twist that melts the courtroom. Instead of a
Now,
fine,
she
the
hasn't
judge
paid the
strikes a
ticket.
deal. Mom buys
So
breakfast
we
for
have
her daughter,
penalties in
and the
addition
ticket
to the
disappears.
$100. So what we're
That's
gonna
not
do
just legal leniency.
is we're gonna ask
That's
her
human connection.
to give us an explanation.
Justice served with pancakes.
And then we're going to make, so I am stuck. What would you do to be fair about this whole thing? How much would you charge her?
I'm gonna charge her number 3.
How much?
Um,
Did you say number 3?
yeah.
How much is that?
Wait, what's the number?
In the
So
end,
you parked
this
on the
wasn't about a
sidewalk while
parking ticket.
Were you at the
It was
party
about
as well?
compassion wearing a robe.
Yes.
Okay, so that's your
Sometimes the
explanation.
smallest voices remind
Did you
us
hear
of the
that?
biggest truths.
Okay, now we have to
If
make
this
a
case
decision.
blew your mind,
So your mom
hit
says,
that
well, I
like
went to a-
button. Drop your verdict in the
Again? What's the number again? 50.
So you want to charge her $50. Okay.
I'm so done.
Now you're sure you don't want to charge her 100, which was the original fine?
No.
Okay, you can't charge her 0, right?
No.
Can't charge you 0.
Okay, I want to help.
Well, now I noticed that you're here with your mom. Who else are you here with? Wait a minute. You're here with your mom. Who else are you here with?
My sister
Yeah.
and my uncle.
And your uncle. Okay, now,
If you know your need no more.
right now, I know that you've been here since 8 o'clock in the morning, and it's like 9:20 already, right?
Yes.
So what did you have for breakfast this morning?
I didn't have anything for
Yeah,
this
'cause we
morning.
have to
My
come
stomach
here.
was actually
Mommy.
starving.
So you have not had breakfast today?
Pancakes.
Oh. Well, suppose I make a deal with your mom,
Get here.
okay? That if she buys you breakfast when you leave, that I'll dismiss it. Is that a good deal?
This is a good because
She wants your money. So I'll charge her 0 if she buys you breakfast, if you say it's okay. But if you say it's not okay, then she's going to pay the 50. What do you think?
Breakfast.
Breakfast. Okay.